Hey everybody, welcome back to another video within the Generative AI tool series, and in this video we'll continue our quest to explore the Gemini 1.5 Pro's preview version. And in this video specifically, I'll be exploring the vision capabilities, the new enhanced vision capabilities, and the support for video modality. And we'll provide it with an image, we'll provide it with a dummy video, and we'll see how much uh, data it extracts out of it, how good it does, and how good it is in terms of GPT-4, GPT-4 vision, and Anthropic's vision capabilities. So let's dig into it. So I have a few. So let's start with image first. So I have this image, which is about 10 top streaming films, 2023, and I'm just going to provide this bar graph to Gemini 1.5 Pro, and we'll see. And we'll ask it a bit of question like, give me the top three streaming movies. And do we have budgets here? No, we don't have budgets here. We have total hours viewed in millions. All right, so let's do that. All right, let's write our system prompt first. And let's attach our image. So we need to upload it, and we need to upload it from documents, recordings, test picture, and let's go. Perfect, we have it, and let's see, fingers crossed. All right, Moana, Encanto, Super Mario. Yep, that's right. Perfect, let's try with a video now. So I have this video, and it's Google's video introducing the Media CDN. Let's play it for you. It's a very short video, just a 1-minute video. I'm just gonna play it for you guys here.
Streaming video has become an integral part of daily life, and the demand for streaming content across different devices and networks is only growing. PwC forecasts show that streaming video on demand will grow to be an $81 billion industry by 2025. In the race to capture your users' watch hours, you can't afford unreliable streams leading to lower quality videos. With Media CDN, Google Cloud customers can now leverage the same infrastructure that YouTube uses to serve its global users.
All right, so this just explains a very small 1-minute explainer video what Media CDN is, and this video is from Google itself. I got it from the Google's page, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this video over here. I was a bit surprised when I saw the sample video. So it has Sherlock Jr. 1924 full movie. So obviously if they have kept this into their sample videos, then I'm expecting some big results. All right, let's go ahead. Introducing Media CDN, 6.9 megabytes. Also, since we're in the preview version, we need to check how much tokens are we consuming here. All right, let's go for it. Okay, Google Media CDN summary. This video highlights the Google Media CDN, a solution for delivering high quality streaming video content to users. I'm looking for numbers. Streaming is becoming increasingly popular. That's correct. And global reach Media CDN vast network. Oh, that's correct. So this bunch of detail is provided in. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. 200 countries and 1,300 cities. Perfect. Okay, let's ask it how much. Okay, so this is what I was looking for, positive factors. Okay, it's still going on. Yeah. So basically, I was looking for this factor. Maybe I didn't phrase my prompt in a very best possible way. As mentioned in the video, the streaming industry is expected to reach an 81 billion valuation. So this is amazing. I mean, in terms of vision capabilities and in terms of really translating and extracting data out of it. Just for this bit, this particular video, although this was like just 1 minute video, but the results are amazing. And one good feature that I explored is we also have the output in JSON. So let's try to do that. So let's see. All right, demand growth, streaming video is rapidly growing, market size, da-da-da. Perfect. So if I want to write a summary blog, maybe this fits in perfectly. And I just consumed like 31,000 tokens. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed by the Gemini 1.5 Pro's vision capabilities. Uh, do comment and tell me what you feel about it and if there's something I missed, because uh, in terms of the capturing the scenario, vision capabilities for image and video, if I have to rank, I think in terms of speed and in terms of details, I would say Gemini Pro is a winner when you compare it with GPT-4 and Anthropic, because I tested a few bar charts with Anthropic and GPT-4 and I never got promising results. I would always get some form of hallucinations. So for now, because I know in 1 or 2 months things can change, but for now, if you really want to go ahead with image and video, uh, detail extraction, then Gemini Pro is your winner.